Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Hello. What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back, sis. So you know I'm coming here looking real busted right now because we are coming with another video. Yes, it's a whole different type of vibe I'm bringing to the channel, but not really, because I do things concerning beauty on here, so I will have the playlist somewhere on the screen. But anyways, okay, that's not the point. The point is, we are going to be waxing these armpits, sis. Yes. First thing first, disclaimer. I'm not telling you to do this at the house. I chose to do this at the house because I want to save my coins, because you know we do that over here, okay? We save our coins. So, if you are interested on seeing how I wax these armpits of mine, then keep watching.
Like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual, natural shit.
Okay guys, so let's get into what I'm using today for this wax. So I went out and got me a wax kit from Amazon. Yes, I went and got one. Sorry if you hear my dog's little feet, she's in the bathroom with me. But yeah, so I picked up the Tress Wellness wax, digital wax, wax warmer. It's a whole actual kit. So we'll talk about what's in this kit, because I actually opened it just to see if everything was in here before I said let's film this, because I'm gonna be pissed when everything's not in here, honey. So yeah, but this is what it has. It has the warmer, the wooden sticks, the wax beans, the pre-wax spray, the after wax spray, the paper rings, and some gloves. And yeah, so it has a lid, the power depth, the temperature, all that extra good jazz in here. So I will put the link to this waxer in the description box. It is $34. Not bad. I got it in one day with Amazon Prime. So yeah, really, really good. So let's get into what's in this box, shall we? So pull out all the little waxes. I have the lavender wax. I have the tree tea wax. I have the eucalyptus wax. I have the peppermint wax. And I have the lemon wax. So all of these smell good. They have like this little hole right here. So I've been sniffing. I sniffed them yesterday to really see if they really actually smell like the thing, you know. And then they have the little wooden sticks, like they said they do in the box. They have the small ones for probably your face, smaller areas, large ones for larger areas. I did want to pick me up some, because let me tell y'all something. I might insert a clip. I don't know. I was a little embarrassed. I tried the sugar wax the other day, and sis, no. So I bought these because I didn't have any sticks. And these, I got these from the dollar store for $1. And I got these in the craft section. So you definitely can always pick up extra sticks if you want to for the cheap. Because you know we save our monies around here. Okay. And I have, this is the coconut scented after wax spray, which is moisturizing, soothing, removes residue. Okay, and then this one is the coconut scented pre-wax spray, cleans and moisturize, pepper and wax. And that's what this is. So yeah, look like everything is in the box, right? And then let's get into the actual eating situation. All right, so these are some like instructions, little card to follow on Instagram. I'll put the Instagram on the screen, and just regular little information. And this is the little rings to put around the top of it to probably make sure the wax does not, you know, get on the thing. This is the lid. Cute, you know, it's purple and whatnot. And these are the sprays for the bottles. I didn't even know they had that in there. And these are, like they said, they give you 10 packs of gloves. So these are the gloves. This is the warmer. Oh, this is the little warmer. Well, not the warmer, the container. This is the warmer. Excuse me, child. Excuse me. So yeah, that's what it all comes with. And it comes a little temperature thing and everything like that. So we're about to get started. We're gonna get the shits together and get started. So, before we even do any of that, before we even go there and get this waxing, sis, have you subscribed yet? Don't. Let's go through this again. Let's not go through this again, because I know y'all be watching it and not subscribing. Shade. Shade. So, get the subscribing right now before we get into this wax, because you know you want to see more videos like this and from me. So make sure you are, oh shit, I'm about to break it, are subscribed. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to put everything together. So this is the container. I'm putting this inside of the thingamajig. This goes in here like this. In here like this. I'm gonna open one of these, put one of these in there. I don't know if you can buy more of these or not, because there's not very many of these, or these last a long time. I'm not sure. Oh, you need to put this first, then put this, because it doesn't go on there like that. Like, it doesn't work. So yeah, I've been watching some videos on the YouTube, see how people's been waxing. I did hear about this from Scandalex, this particular wax system from her, because she waxed, and I was like, sis, I need to try it. I need to try it. I want to save my coins, because we all know that waxing is expensive. To wax, it's probably about, to do your bikini and Brazilian and stuff like that, you're talking about $45 and up, okay? To get your underarms, definitely like $15 and up. To do your face, all depending on the area, you're talking about like $10 and up, or maybe $5 and up, depending how small the area is. So why not save all your coins? I'm not about to be sitting here doing it, and it's gonna hurt regardless. If you're doing it somebody's place and having somebody doing it for you, or you doing it, it's still gonna be pain. So I'm just gonna poke this in this little thing. This conceals, which is really, really good. So we know nobody's haven't been messing with this. So I'm just gonna poke a hole in this little thing and just stick it in here, so I don't have no extra spillage coming out. I think that's just the easiest. It does come with directions, and the thing is that I like about this company, they actually email you, which is really nice, to just let you know what you should, you shouldn't do, just give you a little information and backstory behind the whole wax warmer and stuff. So it helps you, you know, understand what to do before you even get the product. So, which is good. So I did a little run through, because this is the instructions right here. It tells you what to do, step 1 through 7. So it just pretty much tells you what comes with everything, the warmer, the parts, how it works. So pretty much the instructions start at step 5. So we have to pour the wax beads into the temperature, and for best results, put the lid over it effectively, and what have you. Then let it melt. So you have to set the temperature between 1 to 150 to 1 to 180 is recommended, but it can vary. When the wax have the consistency of a thick honey, you're ready to wax. So you must clean the area, clean the wax area with the pre-wax spray and wait until it's dry. And then the pre-wax spray will help your skin be perfect condition for waxing. And place the collar, put a little bit, and do a test tube, and blah 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 blah. So watching the videos, I can pretty much figure it out. Watching the other videos, I pretty much figured it out. But it does tell you more instructions on the back, honey. So they are definitely preparing you, so you're not in here looking like a complete novice. I'm gonna show y'all how much I'm putting in here. Oh, they look like nerds. Okay, I'm not putting a lot, because I'm only gonna try this underneath my armpits for right now, and then I may do some on my face. So this is the amount I put in here. Not a lot, right? Oh shoot, I'm dropping them. I gotta pick it up, because if I don't pick it up, the dog's gonna try to eat it, and we don't need her to die from the damn wax beads. So I'm gonna plug this up. As you guys can tell, I'm in my bathroom. Okay, like, I don't know where y'all expect me to do this at. I'm not about to be out here in the living room doing this. No. So it's plugged up. Hold on, maybe I need not to touch that. All right, so Oh, there you go, girl. You got to turn it, honey, because it's turned off. It has an off. Like, you turn it to the what's this? To the left. That's off. And then turn it to the right. It's on. So we're gonna turn it up to 257. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, so it has a timer on there. So I'm gonna cover this. So while that's doing its stuff, thizzle to melt stuff down, I'm gonna turn it down whenever I think it's almost, melted. While we prep, sis, yes. Okay, guys, so it did melt down. I just turned it down to 150 because I was like, it is a little runny. So I'm gonna try to show y'all the best way possible because this is kind of hard to show y'all. So it's like really runny. It's not thick or anything like honey. So I just went ahead and just kind of turned it down. So hopefully it will kind of bring it into a honey consistency now, because it's not a lot in here. So yeah, hopefully it'll get to honey consistency and then we'll start this process. But anyway, so we are going to show you these pits now. Woo, sis. Okay, I'm all shades of brown, girl, okay? So don't judge me, okay? I got the light, a little brown here, a little darker here, a little lighter here, a little lighter here, a little darker all up and through here. So if you guys do know any lightening remedies naturally, let me know. Put it in the description box because I definitely need to start lightening underneath here, okay? Because you guys can tell I'm all dark up and through here. I do like new scrubs and stuff, but not all the time that thing works. Lightening processes is probably something I actually need, like an actual thing applied to it. So yes, I'm gaining a little weight, so I got little stretch marks up and through here, okay? So I did try to cut down my hair a little bit because sis, I've been growing this out because I told you I've been thinking about waxing anyway. So I grew my hair out, so I actually have some hair to show you, okay? So don't be in here judging me because we're gonna have a problem, okay? We're gonna have a problem. I'm never usually hairy like that, okay? All right? Sometimes, it's no shade. Okay, anyway, so yes, this is what it is right here going on. So we're going to do, because it's kind of toned down a little bit, we're going to get into the pre-wax spray. We're going to spray this. I don't know how much you're supposed to spray, so we're just going to wipe that off because I do not know what this, it smells good though. Smells real good. And I am going to put the gloves on.
So I'm going to put like one glove on because sure, I only can do this with one hand. And I'm right-handed, so we're going to make this work, sis. I don't know if I need to let it completely dry. What did it say? Spray. Okay, yep, wait till it dries. So I got to wait till it's dry before we actually get to the biznai on this whole waxing process. I am nervous as hell. You know what, while I'm waiting, I'm going to show y'all a clip of when I was trying to rip off the gosh damn sugar wax, and it did not work out, and I almost lost my mind. It was the same armpit, trying to film the same video for you guys, but I was like, nah, bruh. I think I need to actually get a kit with some extra supplies to help me out. So, yeah, I'm going to insert that clip now. I'm so nervous right now. Okay. Let me get it right here. 1, 2, wait. Oh my god, okay. 1, 2, oh shit. I got part of it off. I got a part of it. Oh, this is harder than I thought. This is harder than I thought. 1, 2. I cannot. I don't think I can do this. 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 I'm about to rip this other part off. Oh, shit. Ooh, I can't even rip it all the way. Yo.
So yeah, y'all see I almost died? Yeah, that wasn't it. So yeah, that's why we waited. So now I'm going to do that. I'm going to go this direction down and rip up this way, this direction up and rip down that way. And we're going to pray about it, okay?
Alright, so we're going to go down. And then down. Okay.
I'm waiting for it to dry because it's still wet. They do suggest that you hold the skin taut so it helps with the process of pulling. So I'm trying to tippy toe so I can make sure I get y'all in the whole frame process. Lord. Okay, I think. Okay, I got a little tab right here. Jesus, help me, Lord. All right, so I'm holding the skin taut. All right, 1, 2. Okay. I knew I should have took 2 shots. I told myself last night I was gonna do 2 shots because this is gonna be real torturous. Okay, 1, 2, inhale. Oh crap. Oh yeah, it took the hair off. Can y'all see that? Like, let me get focused. Okay. I think I'm gonna just try and do the whole arm and just rip it off. Like, this is not gonna work with these 2 section things. So I'm just gonna put it on. Stop. I'm just gonna put it on and just rip the whole shit off. This is dry. Alright. Let's get a piece of this. Alright. What? Holy Jesus, hold on, because that's like sick right there. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, crap. Yeah, it took some real hair off. But it's still like a lot of hair here. What is going on? Like, this process is like longer than I thought. Okay. I need a minute, y'all. I need a minute. So we're just going to spread it down. Ooh, yeah. Look at the application on that one compared to the way it was just a minute ago. So it's way better. And we're gonna just spread and get it all out. Okay, so I really coat the whole underarm. So let's pray, girl. Let's pray, girl, that they take the rest of this gosh damn hair off. And you know what? Maybe I can squeeze in my mustache real quick, girl. Get my little mustache real quick so that, you know, we can make it cute. Shout out to my daddy. I'm a hairy individual because of this. Okay, it dries real fast. All right, so let's get the pieces of hair. Hold the skin taut. And 1, 2. Holy Jesus. Okay, we got some more hairs. Can you see it? Can you really see it? All right. And let's take that off. Then pull that off. We're gonna do the after wax spray. Spray, remove residue. I got a cotton ball here. So we're just gonna spray this. Okay, it's like a oil consistency. So what I'm going to do is take my cotton swab and just wipe it off. Oh shoot. Yeah, it's like a oil. And it just wipes off all the wax. And sis, look at these armpits. Yeah, I definitely need to lighten my armpits. Y'all see that? Right in here, right in there. Like, yeah, that's what happens. But yes, I'm gonna say like this because I gotta get definitely a good thumbnail going on in here. So yeah. All right, y'all, so let me know what y'all think by thumbsing up this video, that y'all like it. Comment down below if you guys tried waxing at home by yourself. Like, what are your thoughts on doing it at home, saving those coins, you know, how we like to do. So let me know. Like, I want to know. I want to know if I'm the only one that likes to be saving their money out here to wax things that's like, this probably would have cost me like maybe about $40. $40, yeah, maybe 40 or a little bit more, about 50 or so. And I paid 30 something and I can use this over and over and over and over. So let me know what your thoughts are. Comment down below, thumbs up this video, subscribe guys, and until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.